Dongning, actually it stopped raining this morning, and now at the main road of Zhengzhou right now, and it used to be one of the busiest streets, but now we don't see traffic, so it got up a little bit ever since it stopped raining this morning. And we know that it is still very hard to get to the city as cold and trains and it's all cancelled. And we know around 200 people take a measure strict traffic flows into the city. And of course, in the center, I'm now at the center of the city, it is fine right now, but we can see that the cement has off because of the rainstorms. And now the government is doing its best to restore the power in the city and do their best now to make sure that they can stand on their feet once again. But still, in the remote and low-lying areas of the city, the situation is good. Yesterday, we went to one of the worst affected areas. Water was 2 meters deep. But now, stop raining. The water has subsided a little bit. But the thing is, we're expecting more rain or rainstorms in the next 2 days, according to the weather. Back to Dongning. So the signal is very bad. It is on and off. That depends on where you are. In some areas, the signal is good because the satellite receivers are not destroyed by the flood water. But in some other areas, like here, it is not that good. And we know that around 300 rescue teams have been dispatched across the city to restore power, electricity, and also the internet. And 20,000 people now are working on the ground